Let's talk about Angular material design, how you can use the Angular material in the Angular project, because Angular material is providing a good look and feel, materialized look and feel, and there are a pre-built component that you can access and use in your Angular project. So let's talk about it. So first and foremost, you need to add Angular material and install Angular material in your project through certain command, and basically you can get that command from the you can see here from the Angular material official documentation. For example, it is opening, and now you need to go to the get started, and you just need to run this command. In this way you can include Angular material in your project, and whenever you will require any component to be accessed in material component, then you just need to follow this documentation here. For example, input, as you can see that we are using here the input, and if you want to also include a input material input, then what you need to do. So first and foremost, you need to install the API, means import the API. So we have did certain thing. We have just created a separate module where all the material related API will be there, and just we are importing in the module which is the auth module. Or this is actually a best practice. Whenever you will require to include that particular material design, when if there will be a lots of module in your project, like 5 module, and in the 3 module if you want to implement the material design for your styling, then you can access through via import array. It means you just need to import that particular material design module in any of the module where you want to utilize, and after that you also need to import in the import array. That's it. Then you will able to access on that component. So let's go to the component here, because auth module is declare and auth module is using here. So actually sign up component, so go to the sign up component and check this. So as you can see that we are using mat card and mat form field, mat level, then you can see here that mat input. All these things are coming from the Angular material, and since we have created a separate Angular design module, and where we have imported all the API and module like input. For the input is a mat input module, for the button mat button module, for the icon mat icon module we have just imported, and here also we are importing in the array and exporting, and then we are exporting this module so that other module able to register, means able to import. And after that we are getting this beautiful icon. You can see here beautiful Angular material design. So just you need to follow the documentation, where overview you can see that how it will be look like, and the API, how what API this particular functionality, this particular design is using. So this is the mat input module, and just you are, and you can get their HTML code from here. So just click here and you will find that this is a code. This is the code for writing something like this. So I hope you understand. If you will face any problem, then definitely let us know.